three quick, easy ways to get free traffic now. I'm going to share with you three quick, easy ways that you can start generating free traffic right now. And number one is posting content on social media. That's one of the classical ways that you can do that. One of the simplest, I know. I'm going to share with you other more advanced ways after that, but that's one of the basic ways, and you got to do it. That's one of the things that with free traffic, with that kind of organic traffic, you need to start building it, and the sooner you do it, the better the results you're going to be able to get. So start doing that thing now so you can start getting the results ASAP. Second thing that you should do is you should have your own show, because having your own show, as I just talked about, gives you that authority and that possibility that whenever you accumulate a big enough audience, because if you keep posting your own show, it's going to happen. You're going to have at some point a big audience. You will be able to use that as a leverage, as something that, as a kind of value that you will be able to provide to people you want to collaborate with. So if you know, let's say you know a guy that has a big audience, and you know he's promoting a book that is going to publish really soon, hey, you can invite that person to promote his book on your show, and in exchange, you can get an interview on their show as well. So you get an even exchange, and you can actually negotiate something like that. That's one of the things that you should do. But you got to start building your own show first. Now, next thing is number three. You got to leverage other people's platforms. As I told you guys previously, you should always go back and make sure that you are on other people's platforms, because you don't have to build it. One of the best ways and the quickest ways to actually grow and create a huge following of fans, like raving fans, is actually go on the right places, on the right platforms that you pre-identified. You go on those platforms and you simply provide your value. But the thing is, the audience is already paying attention to that stage, so you don't have to build it. You simply go where the eyeballs are, and you will be able to get all those people coming and seeing what you do. So that's one of the things that you should always be doing. And I also got a bonus tip that you guys should really be following whenever you're able to get enough of that free traffic. The bonus is, I did not change it up. I did not change up the thing. I'm going to change it up right now because it's actually really important. So oops, here is the real thing I wanted to show you guys. You gotta convert all that earned traffic, all the traffic that you just earned, into traffic that you own. There are multiple kinds of traffic. There is traffic that you pay for, so traffic that you will go and pay Facebook ads, Google ads, you pay Zuck a little buck and he will give you some traffic in return. And you have the traffic that you earn, so that's the one I would say that's free, that you're providing value, that you're working, putting some efforts in order to get. And then you get traffic that you own. And that's the most powerful one, because when you have the traffic that you own, it's your own, and you are able to send messages freely on that. Because let's say traffic that you earn, if at some point you stop being on that hustle, that thing of I'm trying to earn traffic, it's going to stop pretty much if you didn't build it enough to this point. And if you stop paying for ads, well, it's not going to keep generating results. But traffic that you own, when you own an email list, for example, or a phone list, when you own that and you built it, well, you'll always be able to send emails, have access to those people, and build a relationship with them, and still getting some sales. So that's a huge point I would like to emphasize, is to make sure that you guys are building the list. And whenever you get some earned traffic or paid traffic, always, as fast as possible, transform it, turn it into your own traffic as soon as possible. That's going to be the best way for you to ensure that you are profitable along the whole process, along the whole sales process that you got. Hey, do you guys like that bonus tip? I do. I like bonuses, and I like this one too, because it's really important. People don't realize that enough.